Hello, then today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to PowerPoint using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and the top menu bar is convert option. Select and now select to PowerPoint. This conversion dialog box now open and select file files. You can also add other files or multiple files required. That's it. Store this. You can add as many as five for the convert and include all open files. And save folder where we can save this folder or original files and this options. And you can save the file option, select open, and finally select convert. Save this file and converting. PowerPoint. And save this. Turn this file mode. Convert it. Address. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share.